So now let's see how we can work around with tag cloud block inside of wordpress.com. So in order to go ahead and work around with the tag cloud block, you need to go around in between two blocks right here and click on the plus button. And then what you can simply do is type in tag cloud right here. So once you go ahead and do that, what happens is that the tags related to this particular website actually pops up right here, just like this, as a link to that particular post. So here what I can do is I can go ahead and choose max width or full width right here, just like this, and align it to the left or align it to the center and so forth as I want. I can go ahead and then go to the categories section right here as well and choose project types, let's say for example, or project tags if I have them as well. Or you can go around onto categories as well. But I haven't applied any of it, so let's just go around and select tag. You can go ahead and change around the size right here as well. So right now it's 22%, but I can go ahead and change around the size to big size as well and so forth right here. You can also change the number of tags right here to 2 or less than that as well, and then show the tag count as well, just like this as well. So this is what you have, and then I can simply go ahead and let me just go around onto tags itself, and then I'm going to go to, let's say, pixels right here, just like this, and then change around the size to, let's say for example, 50 right here. So once I do that, then what happens is that that particular settings has been applied. So let's just go around onto 100 right here, just like this. And then I'm going to go around onto 50 for the smallest one right here. And the tags show accordingly. So if I were to go ahead and save this, I can go around and then view the post right here. And once you do that, you can see that these are the tags that you have. And as I click on it, it will be redirected onto that particular blog post. And that is how you can work around with the tag cloud block inside of wordpress.com. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.